Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn transparency on or off on your Redmi Buds 5. So the first step is to open the Xiaomi Earbuds app. Then from here, ensure that the earbuds are connected with your app. So if they're not, you can always just open the case to establish the connection. And once they've been connected, you should see the three options listed here: transparency, noise cancellation, and off. If you want to enable transparency mode with your Redmi Buds 5, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is select transparency, and transparency mode will be enabled. So ensure that your earphones are placed in your ear, and then you'll notice that transparency is now turned on. If you want to disable transparency mode, you can always choose to select noise cancellation, or you can simply choose off to turn them off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.